Hello, I'm Nature Theme. I just want to greet you. I'm at the ocean. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching my video. Look at this beautiful sea plant. It's pink. This is a sea plant, a sea sponge. This is a sea sponge. Look how amazing is it.
There's its mouth.
Yeah, there's his mouth. Look. Wow.
Kijk eens hier, sponge.
Wow, this is a puffer fish. Can you believe it? We caught it in the sea. Wow, it's amazing. Thank you very much. This is a puffer fish. Isn't it cute? Oh, shy.